Yo, what's up guys? Sulit nga ba at kaabang-abang ang gawang China na CF Moto 450 SR? Make sure na tapusin mo ang video na to upang maisaysay ko ang motor na pangtapat daw sa The Big Four pagdating sa motorcycle industry. So, without further ado, let's do it! Gawang China? O napapaatras ka na ba? Pero bago ang lahat mga Bradski, bakit hindi muna natin kilalanin sino ba si CF Moto pagdating sa motorcycle industry? Geo Jang Cf Moto Power Company Limited was founded in 1989. After more than 20 years rapid development, CF Moto has turned into a modern high-tech manufacturing enterprise, specialized high-end power sports product development, manufacturing as well as domestic and foreign trade of all its products. Its products line covered motorcycles, all-terrain vehicles, liquid-cooled engines, speedboats, garments, and accessories. At noong 2016, Isle of Man TT race, the CF Moto 650 NK finished the historical 4th place, which was the best record that has Chinese bike had ever made in World Top Race. So back to the main topic. But before anything else, please subscribe. CF Moto 450 SR, the production version of CF Moto SR C21 concept bike. Sobrang angas ng motor na ito, full LED lights niya at may timbang na 168 kilograms. At ang engine naman niya guys ay 450cc parallel twin cylinder dual overhead cam na may lakas na 50 horsepower at 39 Nm of torque. At pagdating naman sa kanyang mga tires mga kapatid, 110 by 70 by 17 sa front, 140 by 60 by 17 sa rear, parehong naka-tubeless at parehong naka-disc brake at dual channel ABS. But single disc brake likod at harap. 450 SR ay isang linear na output na may 0 to 100 km acceleration sa mas mababa sa 5 seconds. Maihahambing sa 600cc power level. Isang supercar na pananaw na nilikha sa pamamagitan ng wind tunnel testing. At ang aesthetics sa preservation ng performance? Well, kayo na ang humusga. This model is a strongly sporty setup with superb track limits and track configuration, with professional racing front and rear gears and anti-drop parts. 450 SR has intelligent man-machine interaction with TFT display and T-box. At base sa CF Moto, ang presyo nito ay hindi nagkakalayo sa naked NK400cc. So guys, isa ka din ba sa nag-iintay na may release na ang sporty looks yet expressway legal in the Philippines? CF Moto 450 SR, aggressive, maporma, high-tech at affordable price? Let me know in the comment section below. See you in my next videos. Ride safe, peace, Vhin Shows TV.
Yeah, I'll keep running until I discover it.